Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can list products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Okay, so right here I have the CJ Dropshipping website, and on the other tab I have my Shopify account. So what we're going to use here is the Importify tool. So we are going to use this one so that we can dropship products from CJ to our Shopify store. Okay, so first is you have to log into your Shopify store. Okay, and then check if this is your correct store. And then after that, make sure to install the Importify to your Shopify store. So to do that, simply tap on this apps option and then go to the all recommended apps. Okay, and then if you cannot find the Importify right here, just tap on the Shopify App Store. All right, and then another tab will open, and then right here just have to type out Importify and you would be able to see this application. So tap on it, and then here, since we already installed this one in our Shopify store, we can only see the open option. But if you have not installed this one yet, so tap on the install option, and after that you have to select your plan. Okay, so now I am on the Importify tab. Okay, so to upgrade your plan, then you just have to go here. Okay, so just go to the plan section, and then we have the basic, the premium, and the gold. So if you are going to choose the build annually, then you can save more. Okay, so you don't have to worry as well, because all of the plans that you can find here has a free trial. Okay, so after that, let's go back and check our Shopify store. Okay, so currently we only have these products. Okay, so we only have one product for the store. Now let's go to the CJ Dropshipping tab. All right, and let us try to find a specific product that we can dropship. Okay, so we can use the search bar at the tab. So for example, we are looking for a mirror. That's right, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so of course you need to sign in or sign up to the CJ Dropshipping. So you can use your WhatsApp, Facebook account, Google account, Apple, or your Shopify account. Okay, so let me just tab it right here again, CJ Dropshipping. Okay, so this is the website. Then after that, right here, let us try to find products. Okay, so let's go to the women's clothing. Okay, so when you tap on this one, you'd be able to see here now the different products. So let me just tap on the allow option. Okay, and then for example, this product right here. So another tab will open after that. And yeah, to dropship this product to your Shopify store, you'd be able to see this icon, the add icon. So this is the Importify. Okay, so make sure to tap on this one. Okay, so if you have noticed, we have this here on our extension section. So to do that, before I proceed, I am going to show you as well. So just type out right here Importify extension. So just open another tab. And then we have this one. So Importify product importer from web store. So just have to tap on it and then make sure to add this to the web browser that you are using. So currently I'm using the Brave. Then after that, just go here to the extension and then make sure to pin the Importify extension. Okay, so once you're done, you can now close this tab. Now going back here on CJ Dropshipping, so tap on the add option and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then this section will open. Okay, so you have here the product details. All right, so here you just have to wait for a couple of seconds until you have the complete information. So we have the product cost right here, price on the store, and then the compared price in store. All right, and when you go to the description, of course we are going to select the default description for this product. Okay, so if this product does not have a description, then you can also create your own. Now, let's go to the variant section. So you just have to choose if what kind of variant do you want to import. But I suggest you have to choose the import all variants automatically, so you don't have to do that manually. Okay. Now, if you want to import videos, of course, you have to upgrade to a premium and gold plan in order for you to access this feature. So since we are using the basic, we cannot use this feature. And for the images, make sure to select everything. Okay. So once you're done checking all of the product info, you just have to tap on the add to your store option. Okay, so this section will open. Just wait for a couple of seconds. So now they have successfully created a product page. So you just have to allow 30 to 60 seconds to complete the process. So you can view this your store, you can edit, or you can go to your import list. So let's try to open the Importify tab, and let's go to our import list and see if we have successfully added here the product from CJ Dropshipping. Okay, so we have here now the product. So here, if you want to customize this one, edit the product details, then you just have to tap on this edit store option. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and you will be directed to your Shopify store. Okay, and of course, you can also access this section when you go here on your Shopify store, and then just go to the product section. Okay, so once you're here, as you can see, we don't have a description. So for example, we want to create a description using the AI, then we just have to tap on the generate text, and then we are going to copy the name or the title of this product and then paste it right here. Now tap on the generate option and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and you'll be able to see here now your customized description for this product. So if you want to keep this one or you want to create another description for this product, then you just have to tap on the generate again or tap on the keep option. Okay, so we can successfully create the description of this product. Now, if you want to select your category, as you can see right here, we have this suggested category for this one. So we are going to select this category. And then for the variants, of course, since we selected the all import the variants option, so we don't have to add different variants right here manually. Okay, but if you want to add your own variant, then you just have to tap on this plus or the add variant option that you can find here. Okay, here for the category meta fields, we have the color, the size, the fabric, the dress occasion. So we have here the suggestions. So if you want to accept this, so tap on the accept all option. Okay, so after that, you just have to tap on the save option. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so once your product is saved, let us now go back to our Shopify store. Okay, and let's go to our homepage and let's go to the product section. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully added here now the product from the CJ Dropshipping. So all you have to do is to repeat the same process. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.